What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is April the 14th of April, and I'm here to do another unboxing. Because I don't know why. Just keep getting stuff coming in the mail. Just keep coming in the mail. Did I get it? Did I purchase it? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it's stronger, maybe. But let me go through this stuff so you can see what I got. Sometimes I got some stuff and I'm like, you know what? I always try to do something as an investment towards my fitness or the quality of the fitness. So this is the reason why some of the stuff I got, and the other one may be a little bit entertainment. So let's start off with the big box. The big box. Let's see what's in it. So y'all know that I did an unboxing where I got me Oculus Quest 3. So this right here is actually a carrying case for the Quest 2 and 3, but I got it for the 3. So it got it's bigger and it's more like a backpack. So we're gonna do it in portions. So we're gonna open it up and let you see what's popping with it. See, it's easy to open. See, look at this. Open it up. Got my own personality. Got my own personal case that you can carry and make it easy for you to carry your Oculus Quest with you, so you don't have to be having all this strange stuff. Now it's just like a regular backpack, and you can just carry it with you, you know? So it got the different slots where you can put your stuff in right here. Maybe your controllers could be in here. I ain't looked at all the stuff yet, but I did get it because I did have one, and so when I do go visit people's house, I want to take my stuff with me. Here are the straps in here so I can put it on the carrier thing. And I just slide everything into the case. It also got protection for the lens for the Quest 3 as well. And this is from Forgora. I have to say, you know, I barely know English. But this is the first thing we got. Just a backpack. And it's for the Oculus Quest. So now we're gonna just put this to the side. So we're gonna start off with the second one. The next thing, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the next item that I have received. What we receive? So all right, let's go. You know, since we already got the Quest, what you gotta need is when you have a Quest, you gotta make sure your stuff stays charged up and powered up and stuff like that. So this is where this next one coming in. The charging dock for the Quest 3. So the way it's set up, I could put the Quest on top of this part, and on the side I could put the controllers, and it'd be able to charge everything up, as like you see right here. That way I don't have to worry about, it's supposed to have the batteries with it, and we're gonna have to do a charging with it. That way, let's open it up. Let's see what's popping with this. It comes with the manual, which is awesome. Instructions, which is awesome, to tell you how not to do it. Pull it out. They put it in, it's like it was putting it upside down, but this is it right here. You got, it already has some batteries that come with it, which is good. It got the little different plug-in for your remote, for your controllers. That way you can plug in each battery And it comes with some batteries with it. These is the rechargeable batteries that you can use. And the plug-in that goes with it. So this is what here, this right here is definitely going to be a good investment for me, just because I like to have my stuff charged up, so my game won't die on me when I'm in the middle of a game. And now I got a way I can just keep it charged when I don't have to worry about it because it's rechargeable, which is awesome. So those show you where I got it at. First thing, there we go right here. That's the first one. The second thing I got was the auto clamping charging dock for the Meta Quest 3 and accessory controller. Look at that. See what I mean? It's going down. It's going down. So we're going to have that stuff ready to go. Ready to go. All right. Now that we got that out the way, let's go to what else I got today. The reason I'm trying to do the unboxing now, because if I go and do the unboxing now, I can throw all these boxes in the trash because my trash man run tomorrow. So let's go to item number 3. And this one right here is mainly for when y'all know when I work out, I'll have my tablet, I have my laptop, I have my phones. But I always have my tablet leaning against my TV. So that's the reason why I got this one. This is another tripod stand, but this one it has a multiple portion where it's supposed to hold the iPad. So as you can see, this one be able to hold the iPad because it's way up here. Now I have access where I have a stand for my tablet, because I didn't ever have a stand for my tablet, so I always have to do stuff a different way. Now I have a stand so I can record in different areas, and now I'll be like, okay, I could go and record these now. So this stand is suitable for tablets and mobile phones with a 4.7 to all the way to a 13-inch. And it said great for video calls, watching movies, reading ebooks on your tablet at home or in the office. It supports landscape mode and portrait mode. So it will be able to turn 360 free. And it also rotate around 180 degrees, as it says right here. And it goes up and down. So this will probably be another good thing for me. But you know, I do have I have the Yeso bike, and with the Yeso bike, I want y'all to see the other stuff on here. So we're gonna go to the next thing that I probably invested in for my fitness and also for better quality to get some stuff done. So item 9, now we are on item number 4. Item number 4. This is a leasing. Item number 4 is a leasing. This right here is a phone case for the iPhone. This way I can put it on this. Hopefully I should be able to put it on the side of the bike so it could be in front. That way you can actually see what I'm looking at when I'm riding the bike. Because that's really the main reason I got it. So I can put it in front so you can see what's in the front. We open it up. See what it comes with. It got a little clamp and stuff like that, so I can just put my phone in it right there. It don't look like I need to loosen up so I can open up. I like this thing. Ever mess up, I break it, huh? Break it on the first time, give me. That'd be crazy. Oh, there you go. It's a button. It opens up. Then you just extend it. So I can put my phone in, and then I can have it sitting on the side of my thing, on my Yeeso bike. So this is the reason why I got it. I can clamp it up on the side of the bike when I put it on there. And when it clamped down, so it can just sit towards the thing facing. Normally I'm probably gonna put it horizontal because I want you to see the full screen, and it's not gonna be like a short video. So I'm probably have it horizontal. That way you can see the whole thing. We got the clamp on there. Have that thing clamped on the part on the bike, then be right in front of it. Feel like they're gonna be a good investment. What else comes with this thing? It comes with some more clamps that come with it, to add with it. It comes with a manual, bracket, on how you're supposed to set it up. This right here is for the Quest. And look, it also has this right here. So if I wanna sit it on something, I can clamp it on with this right here, and have it leaned on there so it can angle for the thing, for the TV or the stream, or wherever I want to clamp it on. So probably gonna be like, put the ball up in here. Now that's in there. Crank this right here. Look, a quick setup, right? Quick setup. Tighten it up. Then once I have this on here, I can clamp this against my bike, and then angle this so it could be facing the stream. So we're gonna practice with it a little bit, get it right, and it can fold up. You see, so get it to where I want to. All right. What was it? Item number 4. Let's go to item number 5. So round 1, item 1, we did the Oculus Quest, the suitcase, the luggage, so we could carry our stuff. 2, we got the charging dock, so we could charge up the Oculus and your controller at the same time. That way you don't have to go too many places. 3, the third thing we got was the new stand for the tablet. That's for number 3. The tablet for it's the what you call it? It's the stand. It's like a stand tripod for any kind of tablet or phone. And 4, we also got another stand, just a smaller stand for when we put this stuff up, when we want to put it on the bike, so you can see the stream on the Yeeso bike. As you see, this Yeeso is right here. I just wanted it where I don't have to keep looking behind me so you can see what I see. And then the next thing I got is the HDMI switch 3-in-1 out. This is it right here. Cause say that I was on a TV or whatever, and I wanted to it only had 1 slot. I needed more slots, to tell you the truth. I bought 2 of them, 1 for each TV. So like say if I want to plug into the TV, and then I use the slots, I could use it for the thing for the tablet, game console, remote, laptop. I got different access, different ports where I'm able to use it now. So like Fire Stick, stuff like that. That way you have more access if your TVs or something only have 1. So this is another investment just so we could have more compatibility, more units to slide in so we can use them. So those are the things that I have for right now. And it's definitely for, helping with my quality of my videos. And the other one is for the entertainment purpose. And the third one is really just so I can have more slots so I can do better with my entertainment and my quality of my videos. So that's the reason I purchased those. I will have the links in the description so you can see what they like. But if you want to get it, you can just go click on that link and get one if you want to. But with that being said, my name is TheJ Jordan. Remember, whatever you do, do stuff at your own pace, own modification. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. And you like to see my shirt? I holla. Peace.